good morning, good afternoon. We are here at the coffee shop with full of flowers. Wow, what a nice decoration here. Kita nyo yan? That is so big. Fresh, ano yan? Fresh rose bouquet. Sobrang laking ano yan. Legit yan na, I mean real. Mga flowers ang lalaki. Yung nandoon, tingnan nyo ang lalaki. Yung brown na yan, it cost like 550. So 7,000, something like that. Ayaw ko nang tumayo, nagpicture lang ako kasi sobrang pagod ko na, grabe, hindi na malakad yung paa ko. Kita nyo yan. And then this orchids, that is legit original orchids, and here this is not legit, that's only plastics. Ang ganda ng ambience, oh, nakakatuwa. Tapos you see, ito yung sofa, ang ganda kasi coffee shop to eh. Ang ganda ng upuan, oh, talagang komportable kasi sobrang lambot. Kasi yung sofa na inupuan ko, with cushion pa. Ayan, tapos yung mga ano nila, sobrang busog na namin kasi kakakain lang namin. Kaya para lang kami maka-charge, organic Japanese tea lang ang in-order ko. Ayan, madlang people, for other info also, at least this video may natutunan kayo. Dito to sa mall ng Burj Khalifa Tower, Dubai. Okay, bye and happy day, happy advance happy new year. Advance merry Christmas kasi too much Christmas na here, you see it. Uy, may nakita ako nakatago dyan. Bye everyone. Please like and share and subscribe if pwede para lumago tayo.